There is something we promise the people of Kenya, especially farmers and livestock keepers, called guaranteed minimum returns. We are tracking progress on the achievement of the GMRs. Ya maziwa, we had set it at how much? At 50. We found it at 33. We are already at 50. In fact, we want to surpass. We want to surpass our own target. So, value change is the second pillar. In agriculture, livestock, mining, fisheries, and blue economy. In every part of the country, we have interventions we are making. This will bring more money to the pockets of Kenyans. That is the target. Maziwa bei ikiwa juu, mkulima anapata bei zaidi. The same with the tea, coffee, cotton, sunflower, macadamia, miraa, and all these other crops. The third pillar of interventions is providing the support infrastructure that will make the value chains generate wealth and incomes for the people of Kenya. What is the support infrastructure? Roads, electricity, ICT connectivity because of e-commerce, water, industries. And that's why we are doing the county aggregation and industrial parks in every county. Dignified markets where people can do business in an orderly way. So this infrastructure of roads, electricity, water, ICT, special economic zones, county aggregation and industrial parks, and so forth, and markets, we are on top of things. God has been gracious, the economy has recovered, we now have money. And I want to announce, we will revive the stalled road projects in Meru County. So leo, hakuna haja hata muniambie sijui senti kunene, kwenda Mbona, sijui ingine. Those roads, natembea nazo zikiwa hapa. Okay? They will be revived. They will be revived. Now, tafadhali, tuambiane ukweli. These roads were begun in President Uhuru's time, isn't it? Lakini ile kisirani iko is as if it is William Ruto who started these roads and installed them. These roads were begun in 2015, 2016, and they installed even in the first term of Uhuru Kenyatta. Na hakuna mtu alipigia Uhuru Kenyatta makelele. Tuambiane ukweli. Tuambiane ukweli. Some of them, like zile kule Tharaka Nithi, I'm the one when I was Senate Majority Leader who launched most of them. The others, President Uhuru came himself with his deputy. The inter-county ones, like hii ya Geaki Miomponi, tulifanya na Daudi. Tulitumwa na Uhuru Kenyatta, tukafanya na Daudi. Ile ya kuteremukia hapo kushikanisha Tharaka na sehemu hii ya Imenti North. Lakini ile kelele rais anapigiwa is as if those roads were started yesterday and they stopped. Well, umesikia Uhuru Kenyatta anapigiwa makelele Meru. Kwa nini? He was president for 10 years. Yeah. The second time hata hakukanyanga Meru the entire 5 years. But we still our leader, there is no problem. We are not blaming him. But why are you blaming President Ruto? And we are accounting for, we are saying this is what we are doing and this is what we are doing, and you can see some of the effects of our efforts are bearing fruits. Why don't you give us time? It's not fair. We will revive the stalled road projects. Na hiyo ni kazi yangu. Sio ndio mtihani moja? Sio ndio mtihani moja? Basi. Mungu ametujalia, maadui wetu walikuwa wametutegea hapo kwa barabara. Lakini sasa tumepata pesa. Tuko na pesa.